last summer I was at my dad's house up in Montana, and I asked him if I could take some cuttings off of one of his willow trees. So I planted a bunch of these. I've got 10 or 12 of them, and they've survived the winter. We're early spring right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and get some of these planted. So willows are really easy to root and propagate through cuttings. You really just have to put them in wet dirt and they'll pretty much grow. They don't take any rooting hormone or anything like that. So you can see that there's some good roots hanging out of there. One of our videos I'll show you how we do this. For today, I'm just gonna get them planted. The reason I'm planting them right here is our house is over there, probably about 150 yards. This is on our property line, and the neighbor's house is over here. They're nice neighbors, but you know what they say, good fences and good barriers make good neighbors. So we're gonna plant some trees just to help with some of that barrier. All right, we'll get them planted. Oh, one other thing I was gonna say about this location. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm kind of right in the middle of an old irrigation ditch. This hasn't been used for, I don't know, probably 2 or 3 decades. And there's not even water that you can access through these ditches anymore. So I don't need to keep it for that. But this is quite a ways from our house. We really don't have a water source to be able to water these very often. So I wanted them right here in the ditch. That way when it does rain, where's all the water gonna go? Just right to this tree in the bottom of the ditch. So, you know, think about those kind of things as you plant trees. You don't want to just be haphazard and pick any place willy-nilly. You need to think about how's it going to be watered, how are you going to take care of it, what are the pros and cons of the location. So we picked this for water reasons. I'm kind of building a little berm right here. That's so the water that runs off of this side will get channeled into this hole as well.